What happens when Ferrari unleashes the future of performance in a machine that blends electric innovation with raw Italian fire? Get ready to witness speed, style, and cutting-edge technology wrapped in one name, the Ferrari SF90 version 1. Asterisk. Welcome back to Car Fusion, your ultimate source for the hottest cars on the planet. Buckle up, because what we're about to explore is not just a car, it's a masterpiece that rewrites the rules of supercar performance. When Ferrari introduced the SF90 Stradale, the world stood still for a moment. It wasn't just another Ferrari. It was the first plug-in hybrid from Maranello, combining heart-racing power with futuristic technology. And the version 1 of this beast takes that formula and dials it up to 11. This isn't a step forward. This is Ferrari leaping into tomorrow. Let's start with the looks. The SF90 version 1 is sharp, aerodynamic, and sculpted like a piece of art in motion. Its aggressive front end, ultra-sleek LED lights, and smooth curved screen performance. Every vent, every line, and every panel has been shaped by the wind, not just for beauty, but for pure aerodynamic dominance. At the rear, the quad exhaust tips and futuristic taillights hint at something wild. Add to that an active rear spoiler that adjusts itself depending on speed and cornering, and you've got a car that looks like it's flying, even when it's parked. And that glowing Ferrari badge? It's not just a logo, it's a promise of excellence. Now, let's talk power, the real heart of the SF90 V1. Under the hood, you're getting a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out 769 horsepower, matched with 3 electric motors that bring the total power to an unbelievable 986 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 986 horses waiting to be unleashed. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 2.5 seconds. And the top speed? An eye-watering 340 km/h, or about 211 mph. This is not just Ferrari fast, it's future fast. But here's the magic, it's also efficient. You can drive it in pure electric mode for short trips, with 0 emissions and total silence. Imagine cruising through a city in full EV mode, then switching into race mode, and tearing up a track. That's the true power of a hybrid hypercar. Ferrari didn't just throw in a bunch of horsepower and call it a day. The SF90 version 1 is packed with cutting-edge tech. Inside, you get a fully digital cockpit with a 16-inch curved HD display, touch-sensitive controls, and a head-up display that makes you feel like you're piloting a fighter jet. The brain of the car, Ferrari's ESSC, electronic side slip control, constantly monitors every wheel, every corner, every movement, to make sure you're glued to the road even at insane speeds. Add in the AWD system, a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and 4 driving modes, eDrive, Hybrid, Performance, and Qualify, and you've got a car that adapts to your mood in seconds. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that blends racing precision with Italian elegance. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather wrap every surface. The steering wheel is loaded with controls, so your hands never leave the wheel, just like in Formula One. And despite all this performance talk, Ferrari didn't forget about comfort. The SF90 version 1 can be a daily driver if your daily drive includes turning heads everywhere you go. The Ferrari SF90 version 1 isn't just a car, it's a revolution. It shows that Ferrari can electrify without sacrificing soul, speed, or style. This machine proves that the future of supercars isn't just electric, it's thrilling, beautiful, and faster than ever. And here's the best part, this is just the beginning. If this is what version 1 looks like, imagine what's coming next. If this car gave you goosebumps, smash that like button and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the SF90 over a traditional Ferrari V12? Or is hybrid the new king? Don't forget to subscribe to Car Fusion, where we bring you the world's most exciting cars with style, sound, and speed. Stay tuned, because the future of driving has already arrived, and it's wearing a prancing horse.